Hi and welcome to Scribe Tutorials. Today I'm going to walk you through downloading and installing the Scribe tools for InDesign. First, navigate to your browser. Go to scribenet.com and that will take you to our main page. Now you want to make sure that you're logged in, so click in the top right corner and log yourself in. Now we want to download our files. Go to Well-Formed Document Workflow and Downloads. If you're not seeing the same thing here, then it might be because you're not logged in. For today, we're just going to need two files. We're going to need the InDesign tools, and we'll need the SCML and SAM DTDs. Go out to your Finder and go to your Downloads page. Unzip the two downloads, and for now, we're just going to leave the SCML InDesign tools where they are, but the SCML DTDs you want to put in a secure location. I'm going to just move it to my desktop. Now go to InDesign. We're going to open our Scripts panel. If you're not seeing your Scripts panel, go to Window and Utilities and Scripts. We have ours open, so I'm just going to pop that open. You should see a Users folder, and you can right-click that and choose to Reveal in Finder. This will open a Finder window that has your Scripts panel. Double-click into the Scripts panel, and now we're going to go back to our Downloads page. Open that SCML InDesign tools, and just drag this entire Scribe Tools folder over. Now you can go back to InDesign. In your Scripts panel, you should now see a Scribe Tools folder. Open that and double-click on SCR Install. This will run our installation scripts and install the Scribe Tools for you. You'll need to quit out of InDesign and reopen it. Once we reopen it, the last step we have is to just locate that SAM DTD. So once InDesign reopens, we're going to click into Scribe Tools and go to Set Reset SAM DTD Location. I'm going to go out to my desktop and SCML DTDs and choose SAM DTDs. Now you should be all set to start using the Scribe Tools. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out all the other videos up on scribenet.com. This video was recorded on August 5th, 2020. For the latest instructions, updates, and well-formed document workflow tips, go to scribenet.com.